Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this 3-pack box of Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. So, heard about these for a long time. Finally pulled the trigger. Yeah, check it out. All you do is wet it, squeeze it, and erase. And should clean up a bunch of things. Multi-purpose cleanser is what my understanding is. So, check it out. Okay. Pretty simple packaging, just very thin. Oh, what? Super simple. That's it. Bam. Break one apart. Cool. Break this apart. Bam. 3 of them. Yeah. This is cool. Yeah, I'll drop a link in the video description below on where you can buy these from, and let me know what you guys think of how good these work in the comment section below. Gonna try out one of these right now in the bathtub. Cool, hope you're all doing well. Catch you on the next unboxing video. See you later. Bye.